Hi there. Join me in this reading class that is going to teach you how to pronounce the B in Ndebele. So for every syllable that we produce in Ndebele, we base them on the vowels. So let's do the vowels first. A, E, I, O, U. That's how you pronounce the vowels in Ndebele. Now we add the B, and this is the sound that comes out. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. So here's how you make the sound. Okay, you do a bit of a buzzing sound like this. Va. It's like your lips are almost touching, but not really. Ve, vi, vo, vu. Okay, that's the B. That's the B. So I'm going to give you some words. Let's read together since it's a reading class, and you just hear how I pronounce the B. Okay, and just copy. So the first word is va. So I'm slowing down so that as a complete beginner, you really get this. Okay, va, which means father. Okay. Second word, ibala. Maybe a bit quicker. Ibala. That's how you say a word in Ndebele. And if it's many, amabala. All right, the va there. Okay, April in Ndebele is called Mabasa, the month of April. Let's do it again a bit slower. Mabasa. All right, not Mabasa, Mabasa. Good. Next word, Uthebe. Thebe is in Ndebele surname. So if you're talking about someone with the surname, you could refer to them and say Uthebe. Ve, right? Next we have amabele. Slower. Amabele. Sorghum. All right. Visa. It means call. Okay. Even the instruction, if you want to tell someone, call. Visa. Not call on the phone, but, call someone. Visa. All right. And then the word for name in Ndebele is ibizo, right? That which you are called by, right? Coming from visa to ibizo. I'll slow it down. Ibizo. All right. Next, bona. That means see. Okay. Again, it's a verb. It's an instruction. All right. I say to you, bona lapana. See that. Okay. See. The other verb would be vopa. All right. Vopa means tie up. Okay. Vopa. Moving on, we have a vuya. What do you think that means? It means come. Okay. Vuya. And then go back is vuyela. All right. Vuyela. Great. And the city of Bulawayo. Pronounce it just like that. Bulawayo. Okay. Bulala means kill, destroy. Okay. Bulala. So Bulawayo comes from that same verb. All right. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you're learning and improving your pronunciations. I'll see you in the next class.